Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Trupti and we are here for our morning maths class. So dear children, let's get started with our today's maths class. So we were doing decimals from last few classes. Now today is the time when we are on the quiz related to decimals. So let's see what's the first question. The first question is, which is the greatest? Which is the greatest? Which is the greatest here? 12.5, 27 by 2, 51 by 4, or this there is a number times 100. Okay, so here, what is this? This is 12.5. If I do 27 by 2, that means I need to divide. Then 51 by 4 also you have to divide to get the answer in decimal. And this is something times 0.0126 times 100. Please do it. So here, like I hope it's done. So here what we have done is 2 times 1 is 2, 0, bringing down 7. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 1 here. I'll put an extra 0 because I want the answer in decimal. So putting a decimal here. 2 times 5 is 10. You got the answer as 13.5 for this one. Next is 51 by 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 1 here, bringing down 1. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 here. I'll put an extra 0 because I want the answer in decimals. 30. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 2 remainder here. Now we can say this is 12.7. Okay. And this is 0.0126 times 100. That means I'll shift the decimal 2 places to the right. So it will be here. 001.26, or I can write 1.26. So I think the greatest is B, 13.5. 13.5. That's the greatest. Now here you have to tell the greatest. Do it. Solve all of them. 53 by 8. Yeah, do it. Come on. All right. So here, let's see what we can do. 4 times 6 is 24, right? 1 here, putting an extra 0 and a decimal here. It's 10. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 remainder. Okay. Now 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 5 here. I'll put an extra 0 again here. So 8 times 6 is 48. 2 here. And 623 times 0 0.01. So as it is, you are multiplying by, okay, decimal here. So you have to shift the decimal 2 places to the left. Yeah. So if you are multiplying 623 by 0 0.01, it is, you can write 623.0 also. Okay. But now if you are shifting it 2 places to the left, it will be 1 and 2. Over here, it's 6.23. Okay. It's 6.23. And here we already have 5.4. So which of these is greatest? 6 point, wait, 5.4, 6.2, 6.6, 6.23. So I can write this as 6.20, 6.60, 6.23, and this is 5.40. So greatest is C, 6.60. This one. Next one, which is the greatest? Here, 42 by 5, 33 by 4. All the questions are same, just the numbers, digits are different. So here, I hope it's done. Four eights are 32. 1. An extra 0. Decimal here. 10. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 is the remainder here. We got 8.2 from here. Once you got a decimal place, decimal digit, no need to do it further. Okay. 5 times 8 is 40. 2, putting an extra 0 and a decimal here. It's 20. 5 times 4 is 20. Yeah. So this is 8.4. And 856 times 0.01, I told you that we can write it as 856.0. So if there are two decimal places, we shift it to the left. 8.56 is the answer here. So we can write this one. Okay, so we can write 8.50 here. This can be written as 8.20. This is 8.40 and this is 8.56. So you will see this is 8.50, this is 8.56. So D is the greatest one. D is the greatest one. Next question we will do, which is the greatest? Here it will be 41 divided by 4. Here 53 divided by 5. Yeah, do it. Is it done? So 4 times 1 is 4, 0. Bringing down 1. 4 times 0 is 0, 1. I'll put an extra 0, a decimal here. 10. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, this is 10.2. Now, 5 ones are 5, 0. Bringing down 3. 5 zeros are 0, 3. Putting an extra 0, a decimal here. 5 sixes are 30. Okay, so this is 10.6. And now here, if you are multiplying by 100, this will go to the right side. 2 steps to the right side, because in 100 there is, there are 2 zeros. This is 9.21, then this is 10.8. So which of these is greatest? So if we look at this is 10.8, 10.2, 10.6, and 9.21. So the greatest is 10.8. Yeah. Let's go to the next one. The greatest one here. The greatest. I hope it's done. So 95 by 4, 128 by 5. So if I talk about this one, this is like 3 times you have to shift it to the right. That will be 153.3, 153.3. Okay, because it is, you are shifting 3 times to the right. Now 5 times 2 is 10. 2 here, 8 here. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay. 3 here, putting an extra 0, bringing it down. 5 times 6 is 30. Here, 4 times 2 is 8. 1 here, 5 here. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. Putting an extra 0, so I can see the answers. 4 sevens are 28, 2 here. So the greatest one I can see here is 153.3. Next question, which are lesser than 11.1? Are means multiple options. Lesser than 11.1. Lesser than 11.1. Which are lesser than 11.1? So if I talk about the third one, like the fourth one, you have to shift the decimal 3 places to the right. So this will be 102.0, which is of course not lesser than 11.1. Let's check for this. 5 times 1 is 5. 0, bringing down 4. 5 times 0 is 0. 4 here. Putting an extra 0. 5 times 8 is 40. I can say that this is less than 11.1. Next one, 8 times 1 is 8. Bringing down 7. 8 times 0 is 0. putting an extra 0. 8 times 8 is 64. Oh, crazy. This is also less than 11.1. Now 79 by 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 0. Bringing down 9. 7 times 1 is 7. 2 here. Putting an extra 0. Bringing it down. So 11. Okay, so this is 20. 7 times 2 is 14. 6 here. That means this is greater than 11.1. So this is also not the answer. Okay. Wait. Let me just. Yeah. So that's how you have to do it. These are the only two options which are less than 11.1. And that's how we are done with our today's class. Thank you so much for joining the session. I hope you understood all the things that we have done today. It was a great session with you all. I'll see you soon in the next class. By the time, take care, have fun, and keep practicing. Have a lovely day ahead.